Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to remove grid lines from specific cells in Excel. In order to remove grid lines from specific cell in Excel, first you'll need to open your Excel. This is the first interface you will see of Excel. Here you'll have to click on Blank Workbook. A new workbook will pop up on your screen. To remove grid lines, you'll have to select certain area that you want to remove grid line of. Now, you'll have to use the white fill tool on the selected area. You'll have to click on the white color, and as you can see, the grid lines are removed. You can also remove grid lines by going in the page layout option on the very top of your Excel. And in the sheet options, you can find grid lines view. You'll have to click on that option to deselect the view option. And as you can see, the grid lines are removed. This was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to remove grid lines from specific cells in Excel. Thank you for staying till the very end of this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us like, share, and subscribe.